name is Gisele, and I had a partial knee replacement. I've had two partial knee replacements, but they weren't bilateral. It was a year apart. But I would definitely recommend them having it done with Mr. Boerger. I heard about Mr. Boerger because I come from Gibraltar, and in Gibraltar we know everybody. So I knew he was working in Gib, and he had a good reputation. So I thought I'd go and have a consultation with him, see what he felt about the knees, because I did know that if they weren't quite ready, you couldn't have the procedure done. My life was a misery. I couldn't sleep properly. I couldn't practice yoga like I was used to. Couldn't walk a lot. Couldn't go up steps, down steps. So there was no quality of life. I've practiced yoga for many, many years, practically all my life. And I was finding I couldn't do the things I normally could do just without even thinking. And I went to see him. The consultation went fine. He was very kind, you know, he put me at ease. He was very professional. So first of all, I had my right knee because it was the worst one. Had it done last year in January. It went fine. It went really fine. I had it done in the HC Marbella. The nurse and staff were great. I mean, the operation went very well. The convalescence went very well as well. And I went back to see Mr. Boerger, I think it was 2 weeks after the operation when I had these staples removed. And then 6 weeks after that, or 4 weeks after that, 6 weeks after the operation, I went back again. And then it was just the year consultation. He's a very pleasant man, so he puts you at ease, you know, and it went just great. I mean, I did everything like he told me, so everything's fine, yeah. Recovery is good. I mean, if you do everything like the doctor says, there's no need to worry about anything. So I would definitely recommend going to see Mr. Boerger if you're in pain.